Today on the CForce 600, RJWC exhaust. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today on my 2022 CFMoto CForce 600, we are going to be installing the Mud Edition RJWC exhaust. I installed the exhaust on my Can-Am. I've never done it on a 600, and I haven't even opened this box yet. So we're gonna open this together. Come on, and let's unbox this thing and see what's in here. Well, my camera didn't record opening it up for whatever reason, but here it all is. Spark arrestor, clamp that I'm assuming probably goes here. These really cool little springs that it comes with. They're all branded RJWC and stuff. Rubber coated or protected. Some heat shield things. And this is for this, gonna guess. I don't know what this is for. Anyway, let's get some B-roll of this stuff, and then we'll get to installing. Okay, so one thing I am going to do is I do have a decibel meter here. I'm going to, I don't know what my wife just sent me, but do it with the stock muffler and then do it with the RJWC and see how much of a difference in sound there is. I know that's a question that a lot of people ask. I'm also going to put a second mic down there so you can hear what it sounds like, and that way when you hear the other one, everything is still in the same position and nothing has changed. So that's set up right now. I'll turn that on. And I'm actually going to screen record. So phone is screen recording. Mic, we're just going to sit right here next to the phone, I think. Okay, so that was stock. Now let's go through how to change this out, and then I'm just going to leave this right here, and then we will do it again once the RJWC Mud Edition is on here and see what the difference is. Okay, to start, obviously we're going to have to remove the seat. We got to take this panel off and this panel off. I think this probably just all is it's probably all just, I would assume it all just kind of hooks together. So I'm going to grab some tools, and I'm going to grab some push pin pullers, get this stuff off here. Okay, so let's start up here. 10 millimeter. These are both 10 millimeter. Some grommets up this way that just pop out, those 3 bolts that we took out. Okay, got that off. It was a little bit of a pain, but it's off there, so we're gonna remove this heat shield here. Again, these are 10 millimeters. Just pull that on out of there. Now what we're gonna do is remove these springs here. There's one more bolt back here. That's a 14 millimeter, holds up the muffler. Take those springs off and just guide that thing out and ready for the new one. They do make a spring puller tool. I do not have one, so I am just going to use wire. And that's all you gotta do for that. So I'm gonna get the rest of these off, and then we'll get that muffler out of there. All right, down here, that bottom bolt right there, 14 millimeter, we're gonna get that off, and then we'll be able to slide the muffler and that pipe all the way out. All right, well, we've got it on and back together. I'm not gonna put any of the plastics or anything back on yet. Set up the other microphone and the decibel meter. Let's fire it up for the first time, see what she sounds like. Okay, turn the other mic on, got the decibel meter set up. Okay, the other mic's on. Start screen recording. Fire up for the first time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, and there you have it, man. RJWC Mud exhaust for CFMoto CForce 600 is complete. I gotta put all these plastics and things back on. That might be it. I gotta put this heat shield back on. That might be it for the 600. Actually, I think I got one more thing. I think it's sitting right there. That's a windshield. That should be quick and easy. And then it's time for something new. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what machine you want to see me in next. And we'll see you in the next one.